Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's Megan Ryan and I'm back again with a nerve-wracking trading recap, but I actually went pretty well. It's very similar to what happened to me yesterday. I re-averaged but with a purpose. I know it's hard to find the bottom on this gap down stocks. So this stock was like down crazy 32%. As you can see, it's an SSR. I didn't even want to try shorting it because number one, it's probably gonna hard for me to be able to short it. It's probably gonna squeeze because it was too far from VWAP. Basically, VWAP was here, price was here. Like if you short it, it's crazy if you short it here because it's just too far from the volume weighted average price. And yeah, and this can move because ATR of this is $6.83. Yeah, so that's crazy. So initially I saw it's kind of holding this 136 area. Where did I get that level? I got that level here. So always look on your left. As you can see here. Sorry about that. Yeah, so I got levels here that I just marked wherein I want to watch it. And 30.25 is also a level, as you can see here. 29.50 is the max loss that I will lose in this trade. It's crazy. So, I have those levels. I'm just using them as my guide if this is going to continue, because I think if they were short, they get 30% move, I'm very sure they're going to take profit, right? Whoever was shorting this or whoever is in here will have to get out. So yeah, so at first, typical sell-off, still too far from VWAP. I defended this area here. I failed, but I still have one level to fight, which is 30.25. Even traded in pre-market. I took half basically because it's generous enough. I was risking about $2 on this trade, $2 move. And then I re-added whatever I took here. I re-added here, so it's still a full $2 move, so 31.75. So this is kind of close to $2. Is it? 32. I don't know. I'm not good in math, so that's kind of my risk. 30.25 really. When I entered here, I know this will be my risk. I added here, so it's gonna be $1 now, $1 risk. I added $1 here, so it's gonna be 50-cent risk. So kind of my range was kind of 50-cent range. I think my average was somewhere here, 31.50. 31.50. I think this is where my average is. I think that's why I took profit here. But really, I was just risking this one. We'll see it in my recap. I know I've been adding because I know it'll be hard for me to find the bottom, but I need to get out just in case on my levels. So that was my plan. Stock is down 30%. I'm pretty sure you'll find a higher chance of winning in the long if it's too far from VWAP, below VWAP. If it's like what happened here, right? Unless someone's just going to dump their shares, but I think they already dumped it. So there's still a sell-off here. So whatever they need to dump, they already dumped here. And I think I don't know. And if you look at the levels, daily, really nothing, no levels. So I only used pre-market levels. So I used these pre-market levels here. Yeah. Actually, I was still hoping it's still gonna go to 36. I have a 35 or 36 level there, as you can see, but it did touch 35. My level was 35, 36, not 30. So I was hoping for 35, but I didn't make it. Man, it just wants to stop me out. Look at that. I added here. Average for somewhere here. I added close to the average price. It stopped me out, but it's okay. We only gave back a little bit. Very, very little. I don't like giving back my profit. It's stressing me out. But yeah, let's. Oh, I also watched Coin. It's also in my list, but I didn't want to trade it because the ATR of Coin is $12.80. That's a lot. And also Coin, there's also no levels for daily Man, oh my god, this stock is from what, 400, 375? Wait, opened at 380, it went for, my god, man, seriously, this is a really good deal stock. Probably, I might probably buy a bit and then hold it long term. Crazy. And what happened to coin? Also, coin was really good. I can probably trade it. Can probably trade at opening price. Risk, I don't know, maybe 54. So probably $1 risk. And this moves $12 per day. So that's like 10%. You're risking. Yeah, that's how I trade. That's how I calculate based on ATRs. I also trade ATR here. I like ATR trades. Yeah, it's just really helpful. Look at that squeeze. Oh my god, this moved about $8. $8.47 today. Yeah, amazing. And you only moved about, one sec. It doesn't show up. Maybe I'll show it to you in a bit. But yeah, oh my god, this is first trade thing. Look at that ad. I just want to stop me out. It's okay. It's not a lot of shares anyways. Yeah, let's, yeah, I forgot. Okay, we have to watch my recap. But of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm feeling better now, so probably going back to work. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me in my social media accounts. Right, let's watch. Yes, as you can see here, I was actually in really early. I even did not start recording it, so I was in really early. This one is a small trade. It's just, I'm just having FOMO because I was in early, so I almost $1 move, so I took half in there out of a $2 risk. Not bad. So let's just fast forward until the market opens. So levels, I have levels already, as you can see. Oops, let's rewind a bit. Okay, so as you can see here, most watching, what's this? U and coin. But I don't have levels to coin. I even zoomed it out because just to remind me that I'm not going to trade coin. So I only have U and coin, but I wasn't planning on trading coin. So let's play. Sorry, it's too fast. Okay, so market opened. I'm looking at levels. I was looking at 31. I was scared that this will be halted. It moved about $1.75 right at the open, and it gave me confidence when it did not halt. So I said, okay, this is probably someone's probably defending 31 because it did not halt at all. So I added whatever I took here. So my what's this? My risk will be about $2. So I need to be patient. For $2 will be about 34 if I want to make profit out of it, because it's just I don't know where it's gonna go yet. So added here. So my new risk is about $1. So 31.50, 30.50 is my risk. So I'm at my risk area now. Okay. Because this spread is also what? Look, if you look at risk, sometimes it's 10 cents, 15 cents, 5 cents. So you really have to trade wider on this one. I kind of don't trade like this, but when I see a more expensive stock with a $6 ATR, you have to trade wider. $6 ATR, if you trade $1, you can get stopped right away. Even as you can see here, ATRs are per candle is moving about $1. The first candle was $1.70, right? So yeah, you have to take in mind that if you want to trade, I mean, you can risk low of candles all the time, but imagine if you risk this low of candle here, you'll get stopped, right? Risk low of this candle here, you can probably, yeah, You can probably risk 30.25. Like, imagine if I trusted my level in there, like all in 10 cents. Look how, like, it's just, but sometimes, you can get stopped. So, full risk will be 30.10 because my new average is 31.10. That's my new average. So I should be risking only 50 cents on this one, but I'm willing to give it $1. So that's like about 2% or 2R of my account. If I stop, then I need to. That's why I was nerve wracking, right? I was telling you earlier. I was a bit confident because it was too far from VWAP. I said, okay, if this drops here, it's probably going to stop me out and then reverse back. I think that's what's going to happen. But there's a level here. So took profit in there. So about close to 80 cents, right? So that's 2R, 2-to-1 trade because I was risking, I need 50 cents for me to be able to make money here, actually. Okay. There you go. So I made enough already for me to hold the trade. I can probably risk 60. If it goes down 60, I'll probably take more half. Because I don't want to, it's VWAP. And I see here that it's probably going to halt, so I held more shares. I should have added, actually. So now I can see this 35, 36. So basically, I'm just trading levels here. Opening price is 33. So there's 32 here and 33. So that's about $1. So I've taken more before it halted, but I still have more shares. Maybe take profit somewhere 34 or 35, this area here. That's the plan. But I got a pretty good profit here. Yeah. So I was really happy with this one. Man, just trading levels. You have VWAP here. If it rejects, actually the plan was if it rejects here, it's probably going to stop me out at 31.10. Yeah, so that was my average, 31.10. So if it rejects, it's probably going to bounce back here, but I've already taken enough profit. That's why I'm taking profit here because, if it's VWAP, it's opening, it's VWAP and its opening price is 32, 33. Yeah, so I took more in here. So let's see. I'll probably take, yep. I know myself. Waiting for 35. I don't see 35 coming. Let's see if it's gonna hold 34, 30. There's a level here. I have level here as well. So basically these tick lines are just pre-market levels. Pre-market levels or previous day's level using 5 minutes. Yes, and then the red ones are take profit area, or this was a VWAP area when I was trading it here. VWAP is somewhere here, yeah. So it'll be hard. It will take time for it to go and do 36. So I said, should I take more here or wait for 35? Look at my realized gains, unrealized gains. Okay, I'll take more. Let's see. Sorry, this recap is taking a while. Maybe I'll fast forward a bit. So I added there. New average is 32, 30 or 29. So this new average here. Should take more. Yep, I did. So basically, if it drops like 25, it's probably going to go back here. That's a dollar move. Yeah, it's like if you're looking at ATR, it can easily go here because per candle can move about $1. Man, imagine if I trade this 50 cents. Crazy. That's like 10 times the move. Okay. We're close to I added because it's right at VWAP, but I was kind of like, okay, maybe it'll stop me out. Yeah, so it stopped me out. It did stop me out. Let's see where the stock is now. It's okay. It's not that far. I thought it's at 35 now. I still have a feeling it's going to go to 35. It's probably going to hold 32 and go to 35. Let's see, but I don't want to trade anymore. I just want to relax and, grab breakfast. Yes, great day. Yesterday was a great day as well. But almost stopping out. But you just have to know where your max loss is. Max loss area is. That's what I did here. I planned and then kind of worked. Yeah, because market has always been down. So most of the stocks will be on SSR. The thing is, when it's on SSR, it's either you can't short it or it'll be hard for you to short. Because I'm using IB as my broker. Sometimes shorts are not available. Let's see if we can even try to short this. If it's shortable. Let's try. Okay, it's the current price. Let's say 35. Short. Oh, it is shortable. Yeah, but I don't want to short. Maybe add more shares if it's shortable. Yes, it is shortable. Maybe more. It is shortable. Man, it is shortable. It's like a trap. So if you're shorting, it's probably going to squeeze. So if it's easy to borrow shorts or easy to short, shorts are available, it could probably be a trap as well. There's so many parameters you have to consider. Like I know in low float, if it's easy to borrow, you'll get squeezed. Yeah, so you have to trade wider. And my 36 level didn't happen. So average is so I have 30.25, let's say plus 6, 36.25, right? So it's still possible. At the end of the day, it's still possible to hit 36. Yeah, so that was it. It halted, is nice. Yeah, could halt again, maybe. We'll see. So thank you for watching, and please, if you haven't, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Bye.